What if you get sick? Who will pay for medical bills? Ang total na hinulog mo 7 years plan kay 100 annual mode ay 411,750. For the first 7 years, maaring umabot ng 420,000 ang iyong inpatient benefits. 60,000 per year ang limit. At after next 13 years extended period, maaaring umabot ng 716,169 ang iyong health fund. Ang limit at any given time ay yung ating available na health fund. After 20 years, maaring umabot ng 1,166,169 ang ating health fund at yun ang limit natin kung anong available amount. At kung ano man yung amount na yun, may guaranteed positive growth. May healthcare, potentially panghabang buhay. Kaya kung para sa healthcare, panalo tayo sa ating Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare.